Good morning, teacher. My name is Lý Công Hưng. Today I talk about your summer holiday. Last May, I went to Phú Quốc with my family for a relaxing holiday. We traveled there by airplane, which was quick and comfortable, and stayed there for 5 wonderful days. We spent most of our time on the beach, swimming in the clear water, and relaxing under the palm trees. We also tasted a lot of delicious seafood and watched the beautiful sunsets. The entire trip was incredibly refreshing and joyful. I felt completely relaxed and happy to have a spend quality time with everyone. Thank you for listening.